Hi, I'm Jill from the blog timeonourhands.com. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this modern felt pin board. I got a lot of stuff going on up here. Goals, ideas, things I want to do, and I needed an easy way to keep track of all that stuff. So I made this bulletin board so I can keep things more organized. Let me show you how. Let's get started. First, I decided what size I wanted my pin board to be. I wanted it to fit on the inside of the door of my office cabinet, but you can make a pin board almost any size you like. Mine is 18 inches wide and 48 inches long. Next, I looked for felt sheets online and chose colors and a pattern I wanted to make. The possibilities are endless here, so you can use any colors you like, cut the felt into any shape, and arrange it the way you want. I like a natural, modern look, so I chose colors from nature and kept it simple using whole, half, and quarter pieces of the rectangular felt I bought. I chose foam board to use to make my pin board because it was inexpensive, lightweight, and easy to find. I ended up using a tri-fold foam board that I got at my local craft supply store because it was close to the right size for the bulletin board I was making. I cut my foam board to the size I wanted by cutting it in half using a utility knife and a straight edge after I had measured. In order to get my felt pattern arranged so I could easily attach it to the foam board, I attached it to a piece of fabric. First, I traced the size of my foam board onto my fabric. Then I cut the piece of fabric, leaving about a 2-inch border past the line I had just traced. Then I cut the felt sheets to the size I wanted and laid the felt out on the fabric in the area I had traced to make sure I liked it and it fit. Next, I applied heat and bond to the back of each of the felt pieces. I followed the instructions on the back of the package. I tried both Heat and Bond Light and Heat and Bond Ultra Hold, and I preferred the Ultra Hold for this project. A couple of other tips that I learned about Heat and Bond during this project are to make sure that the heat and bond covers the back of the felt all the way to the edges so that every bit of the back of the felt sticks to the fabric in the finished product. And I also used parchment paper to keep the heat and bond glue from getting stuck to the iron or the ironing board. Last, I ironed the felt pieces onto the fabric. I peeled the paper backing off of the heat and bond that was now stuck to the back of the felt pieces. Then I carefully placed the pieces on the fabric where I wanted to adhere them. I ironed the front of the felt pieces. In order to get enough heat to make the heat and bond adhesive melt and stick the felt to the fabric, I had to turn my iron up to high and apply it to the surface of the felt for approximately 30 seconds in 10-second increments, being careful not to burn the felt. As you can see here, I would apply some heat with the iron in about a 10-second increment, and then I would lift up the parchment paper and try to peel back the felt piece to see if it was sticking to the fabric underneath. To finish my felt pin board, I glued the piece of fabric with the felt to the foam board. I started at the short ends and ran a bead of hot glue along the very edge of the foam board, and then I pulled the fabric tight and curled it around the foam board and glued it to the back. When I was all done making my pin board, I hung it on the inside of my office cabinet door with 4 command strips. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up down below. And if you'd like to see more videos about how Larissa and I are making lives that we love, check out this popular video about how I veneered my old oak kitchen cabinets, or this fun video where Larissa shows us how to make beeswax and oil-infused foot balm. Have a great day. See you next time.